Hey, what's up, Spore Finance holders? So this time the latest update is going to be very bad, my friend. This time because all crypto market this time the current condition is going to be very bad. Every coin is fails down. So therefore the update is going very fast and very urgent. So kindly holders don't skip any second of this video because this video I tell you, my brother, the prediction in upcoming times. What's the price and which time they hit, my friends. The price absolutely. So kindly be seriously watch this video because this video is going especially for new holder. So kindly, if you are new, then don't skip any second. Let's get started this brand video. But before I get started this video, I request you to kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my brother. First of all, if you can see the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and this time the change occur is minus 12.63%. Definitely this is very bad change occur now, and the main reason is that, my friends, especially the short time investors starting selling. Yeah, exactly. Especially this time the all crypto market very badly fell, dumps down, my brother, very badly dumps down. So therefore I think I cannot expect this from Spore Pioneers, but definitely, my friend, you can see this up. This is reality. You can see here on the chart, and then more and more falls down. This is just last 24-hour, and this chart you can see here, my friends, they're going to show you. If I draw this time, the first line is touch the highest point, the second is touch the lowest point, my friends. So if they're moving in this circulation, exactly after a jump they falls down, and after a fails they take a jump like that. So absolutely they're moving in this circulation, so it's mean to upcoming time they move up. So Spore Finance holder, kindly in upcoming times they moving upward. So kindly, if you just only hold it to the end of this month, I hope they give you very good profit. So this is my recommendation. Remember, this is not a financial video. Kindly hold it, don't sell it, and the decision is for you, my brother. Please research personally if you want to invest. Therefore this is very important. So thank you so much, my brother. Hope you understand. To upcoming times Spore Finance is moving up very fastly after this prediction. This is sure. So kindly like this video. If you need this type more informative video, kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.